Hey everyone. Sometimes we might decide to delete our Gmail account. This could be because we want a fresh start, have more than one account, or simply do not use Gmail anymore. Deleting a Gmail account is permanent, so we need to know how to do it safely. Today, we will guide you through how to delete your Gmail account. We will also talk about what to consider before taking this step. The main reason to delete a Gmail account is to remove an address we no longer need or want. This helps reduce digital clutter, keeps our online life organized, and gives us better control over our active accounts. Deleting a Gmail account will also remove access to emails, contacts, and other linked Google services forever. So, it is important to back up anything important before starting. Knowing the process helps us delete the account safely without losing things we still need. Now let's look at the steps together to delete a Gmail account in a simple way. This guide is easy to follow for everyone. First, open a browser. Go to gmail.com and sign in to your Gmail account. Once signed in, you will be on your account page. To delete your Gmail account, go to the upper right corner and point to your profile picture. Click your profile picture, then choose Manage your Google account. Click this, and you will go to your Google account settings. On this page, you will see options like Home, Personal Info, Security, Sign In, Google Password, Third-Party Connections, Data and Privacy, People and Sharing, and Payments and Subscriptions. Since we want to delete the account, we go to Data and Privacy. Under Data and Privacy, scroll down until you see options to delete a Google service or delete your Google account. We are deleting the Google account, so click on this option. You will need to enter your password to continue. After entering your password, your account will be permanently deleted, and that is how we delete a Gmail account. Remember, this is a permanent action, so be sure to back up any important emails, contacts, or files before deleting your account. Once deleted, the account cannot be recovered.